Let's get honest about why your style isn't where you want it to be. It's not your age. It's not your body. It's not your circumstances. The real reason? You've been prioritizing everything else except yourself. Today, we're changing that. Bonjour, French Chic ladies. I work with women in their 60s, 70s, 80s and beyond. Women with health challenges, even in end-of-life care. Women with tight budgets and with mobility limits. And they still show up looking chic. Why? Because they make small daily choices that support the woman they want to be. They accept accountability for their style and they don't make excuses. If you've been putting comfort, convenience, or old habits above feeling great in your clothes, you're not alone. You may have given up on you, but I haven't given up on you. So let's kickstart your chic. Do you want to stay with your comfort, convenience, and old habits? Or do you want to kickstart your chic? Here is your first shift. Let's start with this 5-minute morning rule. You only need 5 minutes each morning to elevate your entire day. 5 minutes to choose proper shoes, a flattering top, lovely jewelry, tiny upgrades that instantly change the way you carry yourself. Do you have 5 minutes? Then use them intentionally. Set a timer tomorrow and get dressed as if you matter, because you do. My pro tip is, if you don't have 5 minutes, do you have 3? If you don't have 3 minutes, do you have 1 minute? The next thing you can do to kickstart your chic is with your excuses. Style isn't about perfection. It's about intention. Are you still living in those oversized pieces, in those clothes that hide you? If yes, what are your excuses? Let us know what your excuses are in the comments. My pro tip is, I have worked with thousands of women of all ages over the years, and I have heard all the excuses under the sun. And in the French Chic rulebook, there is no excuse or reason to exclude anybody from looking chic. And I should know. I wrote it. The next thing to kickstart your chic is with a closet audit. Go to your closet, open the doors and pull out all the pieces that you have worn the past month. These pieces will reveal your true style pattern. Ask yourself, do those pieces flatter me? Do they age me? Do they express how I want to show up? Get yourself a style journal and make plenty of notes. Ask yourself all the questions that you need to ask about these clothes, and you will answer the questions in those style journals about those clothes. I promise you it will be a revelation. So this weekend, remove 20 items from your closet that you know you will never wear again. My pro tip is, create space for the woman you are becoming. If you really need help with decluttering, check out my declutter consult. The link is in the description box below. I would love to help you. The next thing to kickstart your chic is by defining your comfort zone. Comfort is wonderful, but when it becomes a hiding place, it limits you. I have clients with arthritis, chronic pain issues, mobility issues, and they still dress with intention in pieces that fit beautifully and work with their bodies. You deserve the same. Comfort does matter, but so does how you feel when you look at yourself in the mirror. So are you trapped in your comfort zone? Let us know in the comments. My pro tip is, are you ready to change the woman in the mirror? The next thing to kickstart your chic is with the mirror test. Before you leave the house, ask yourself, would I feel confident Meeting somebody important to me dressed like this? If the answer is no, then adjust one thing. My pro tip is one tweak a day. Adjust everything over time. What tweak are you doing right now to transform your style? Let us know in the comments. The next thing to kickstart your chic is with the medical reality check. I hear many women say the menopause changed my body or my condition affects my appearance. And that is completely valid. I understand you, but that does not exclude you from being chic. Chic simply becomes more personalized, more intentional, more adapted to your needs. You still have options and you still deserve to look good and feel good in what you wear. My pro tip is there is nothing that excludes you from looking chic except your willingness to try. The next step to kickstart your chic is with the investment mindset. Stop filling your wardrobe with pieces that don't serve you. One well-chosen item will elevate you more than 5 cheap and flattering ones. Before buying anything, ask yourself the question, does this piece improve my look? If not, walk away. My pro tip is, if it's not a wow, it's a no. The next step to kickstart your chic is with the age myth. Age is not a style barrier, and that's good news. I see women in their 70s and 80s getting more compliments about their look because they keep evolving. You are never too old to refine your style. You are never too old to express who you are with your style. What is your age? What are you going to do about it? Let us know in the comments. The next step to kickstart your chic is with a 30-day style challenge. Join my free 30-day chic challenge with a PDF download, the link below. For the next 30 days, get dressed with intention. Small steps create huge shifts. By day 30, you will feel and look the difference. And don't forget to send me a before and after photograph of the challenge at info@mariannecoeur.com. The choice to elevate your style is always yours, and you can starting today. If you enjoyed this video, you will love the video on screen now.